Already started? Okay. Here we go. Man, that's huge. Alright, let's see here. Good morning, everybody. Let me just. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Why can I. Live chat is not available. Okay, never mind. Well, live chat is not available. It's okay. Alright, so here we are on a day like today. Today is Tuesday. There was basically is a sideways day still. However, there was this breakdown already coming up. Can't go past 55 and to topping tail, then break down hard right here. So right now we are at 2650, which is basically on the way on decision point whether it's going to go up or down. My bet is on down right now. Just want to see a few more confirmation. I have short signal. I have going up to the tunnel line, and right now looks like it's gonna break down right here. And so if it's gonna break down, I don't want it to leave without me. That's for sure. Pa, 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 pa. Right. Where's my okay. And if you guys coming in early, I do have a position open since 56. However, this is winning streak, and I am going to play my safest bet right now. My safest bet right now would be the selling at around right here, 2650. So I'm still waiting for more confirmation. But if this works out, this is going to be a quick one today. Really quick one. I just want to see a few more confirmation. I think it's just going to go up a little bit more. So wait for a few more confirmation for the downside move. Whether it be the topping tails, the clear rejection, or something, and then I'll put in a sell order. Right now I'm gonna wait until it actually reach 51, and then I want to see reaction. It will reach 51. I just want to see the reaction there, whether the reaction be that it break through or it rejection right away. So let's see. Like I said, it's gonna go up. Let's see at that 51 mark whether it has a rejection or it kind of doing this sideway and trying to break the 51, break 52, and then going back up all the way up to the previous point at around like 55 where it break down here. I personally doubt that. Oh, right there, that's the rejection I'm talking about. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm placing a sell right here. I'm not waiting for any more confirmation. I am placing a short right here. Target profit 300, 200. Just because I saw the required reaction already, where it trying to go up above 51, cannot, and now it's gonna go down. So I have my target profit. Boom, boom, right there. Okay, I'm pretty much set right here. Oh, what happened there? Boom, boom, right there. What happened? Set, come on. What happened? Weird. Okay, so that's the short signal. That's the shot I've been waiting for. I'm not too sure what happened. I did got my order in. I just didn't get my. Oh, there we go. Okay, the TP and SL is in place. Good, perfect. All right. Now all we have to do is wait for the reaction right now. Okay, here we go. Coming up to 51. Okay, so I was a little too early on that one, but because I saw the punch, saw the rejection, and I didn't think that it's just gonna go up right now. Uh oh. Uh oh. Okay, that's bad. The reason why it's bad is because like I didn't wait for the punch, and this is the punch. I thought that was a punch. Apparently, this is a punch. So if I get hit with a stop loss on this one, I'll be looking to enter again, re-entered. But hopefully hopefully I don't have to, because it's not gonna hit my stop loss. Not yet. Okay, it hit my stop loss. God dang it. Still aiming to sell right now though. Still aiming to sell. Just I might be a little too rash in order to sell here, because it just punched up really hard. But it is looking like it will come down again. So I'll wait for more confirmation on the rejection here. If it cannot go past 52 and break down, I will sell. Break down below 51, I'll sell. Need to break down below 51 first. Just need to make sure that I saw the rejection. So this order is done. It's already hit my stop loss. Gonna wait to see the clear rejection and break down below 51 before I start selling again. It's not breaking. It's not breaking below 51. It could mean that this is being a bottoming tail. I think it's unlikely. I think it's gonna be the way it break down, but I'll wait. I'll wait for it. I'll wait for it. Wait to see the reaction that it's gonna break down. Okay, this is why I'm waiting. Even though that's like a lot of short signal, but if it doesn't have a rejection and can break down below the turn-on line right here, it's going to be a sideways day where it is not going to fall down. So I'll wait for it to go up as much as it's like, and then once it's finally come down, break below it, then I will have my sell position on. But for now, I'll let it ride. And this is the reason why I have my stop loss on. Like everything looks so good, looks so perfect. It should go the way I wanted it. However, it doesn't. And that's just the way it is. That's just the way things are. Nothing's gonna go as you predicted all the time, 100% of the time. I mean, this clearly a huge breakdown. This is a really good breakdown where it come up here should be a retest right around here where I enter the trade and should be coming down already. However, things can just as well go up like that, and that's basically nothing you can do. So for now, I am going to wait for the breakdown again. But right now, I am not gonna sell right here. I'm not gonna sell up here. I'm not gonna do anything until it clearly shows me that it wants to come down. And that rejection right there is still not it. So I'm still gonna wait for some more, wait for it to break down, and give me the confirmation that I need it in order to actually start selling. But for now, doesn't look good. Gonna hit my stop loss at break even right here. Jesus Christ, I don't like that. Can't believe it's gonna hit my stop loss at break even. That didn't that didn't sit right for me. Jesus, I've been waiting almost all day for the breakdown. Finally happened, and it was like 200 points. I mean 2,000. Like I was hoping for like at least 1,500 points. It gone like 1,000, and then it like all the way back up, 46 up all the way to 55. So it's this is painful. Gotta be honest, this is painful. But that's just the way it goes. I mean, for traders who want to get a good chunk of it, if there's a pullbacks, you gotta add to the trade. If you cannot, then it's oh man, that is truly painful. The moment I came up here, waiting for the pullbacks, finally happened. Everything looks right. Right at the time that I'm setting it up to, I have my position open. It looks really well. Shot it right here, hoping for a quick win, and that happened. Like, what is that? Like this right here, from 50 up to like 55 in about basically 10 minutes. Jesus. Jesus. Like, really? Oh, man. What? But you know what? That's just how it goes. It's just the way it goes. I mean, we can predict everything, and we don't need to predict everything. We just need to predict it long enough that we are correct most of the time. That time was not one of them. I predicted that it was not gonna go through that, and it does. So that's a little heartache. Gotta be honest, that's a little. Still keep on going. Where is that buy power coming from? From here, at 707 up to 724, and I don't think it's stopping. 15 minutes. It's gone up like from the breakout right here. 48, 700 points. It's insane. That's insane. How did it go up 700 points in like 15 minutes? I know it's supposed to be sideways. I just didn't expect it to be this much sideways. Looks to me like it should we should looking for an uptrend even the way this huge bull move is coming up. So losing since the beginning of the day. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. I mean, it's still not stopping. It still keep on going. What is this? Jesus. Hmm. The way I'm seeing it right now, I don't think the gold price at 2600 is gonna go down anytime soon. Highly doubt it. I know there's a lot of short right now, but because of this bull move right here on a 1 minute chart, we have to actually take a look at the more. Oh my god, it hit right here. Half hour. So yep, it's pretty much holding strong right here. Like on like about couple days ago, I was thinking that hey, look at this breakdown, look at this, and if it can just stay below this, I am aiming for like 6,000 points coming down. Not 6,000, sorry, 60,000 points coming down, all the way down to like early 2000, and right now, right now, just seems like we're gonna have another bull move coming up because once it's actually staying above, and right now this right here is a clear rejection of today at 41, and the second time where it tried to come down, it cannot. Gone down to 46 and spike. I gotta call this a spike right here. So if you take a look at like 5 minutes, look at this. This is nothing but what we call a V-shaped recovery. So we have this, and we have this one. So that's twice of a V-shaped recovery. And I think once we pass 56 right here, we're definitely gonna go all the way up. And if it can pass 60, boom move, going up maybe 2700 again. Which is not what I expected. On a day like today, I was expecting like, yep, we're gonna have a huge move down, and it's not. So what happened when things didn't go as planned? We cut our losses, plan again, and adapt to the situation. That's the plan. Like a lot of people, I bet, were aiming to sell right around now. Just because like, hey, it's gone way too much up, and it doesn't seem like it can go up above that 2655. So we should sell it and gaining profit from it. But I'm telling you guys, with the way these things are up right here, it's looking like, oh wow. Speaking of the devil, I was just saying that hey, I don't think it's gonna go down anymore, and it just went all the way up. Oof. That's a rejection. Might be a pullback pretty soon here, but just so you know, it is just a pullbacks. I don't think it's gonna be anything more than a pullbacks. Possibly gonna go down to like 52 if you're lucky, but unlikely that we're gonna see it going all the way down. Probably it might even stay just at 54 right here. If it break down again, today would be a no trade day because it is breaking, below and above the turtle line so many times here. Look, like right here, staying up really well. Once it broke down, okay, it stayed down really well. Then it broke up again. So when it broke up and down like this, on for me to play a turtle, it would be almost a 50-50 chance. And when it is sideways, no clear direction in trends, this is gonna be a pretty, like, I would say that for the past couple weeks has not been a good day for me. And just because like I play a trend following, and when it actually are, you know, way too much below, way too much above, on a sideways day, it would be really good to just playing reversal play. But for me, I play trend following where it carry on and then it's gonna break down really hard. That's why I made a lot of money. But right now, I'm losing a lot of money just because like I'm selling here, stop loss, buying here, stop loss. And that's just the way it goes. Nobody can win all the time, but as long as you know how to limit your losses when the price chart doesn't go your way, that's the way to survive in this market. And right now, not starting off very well. So I'm gonna wait for the actual pullbacks, and I'm gonna sell. I mean, I'm gonna buy. So today was a quick loss of $33. Really quick. It's like too quick. Got in 3 minutes up and then already hit my stop loss. Right here, if it cannot go past 55, basically psychological level, if it cannot come down below 55, I have a feeling that we are gonna see 2700 today. Might be. We might be seeing 2700 today. Or at least 2680. Because the low of the day is around 2640. So plus that by another 3000 points would be 2670. And if we plus that for another 4000 points, that would be 2680. My aim, I think today we're gonna end up at like around 2680. If we did see the low of the day already. And here's how I just look at it. Here's the low. We've seen the low of the day. Break out. And come down. So if this is the case, at least it could be 2660. Then maybe it will come down. Maybe. I kind of doubt right now. I had a lot of doubt right now on which way it would take. For now, let's sit on the sideline, wait to see what will happen. right, here we are at 55. Let's see if it come up to like break down below and then break below all the way down here again. I would say that is one of the hardest days to play in this market today. Because like if we break up, we break down. Ooh, nobody can predict that. That means it's basically just wiping a lot of players off. Basically, wipe them off the face of the earth. Blew their account for sure. But looks like 55 stays, so we probably see a bullish move. Gonna see a bullish move up all the way to 2670, unless it can break this level right here. If it cannot break this level, I have a hard time believing that it will come down again today. So for those of you who had a selling position on, you really need to reconsider your position. Might be time to start looking for where should be the point that you could get out. The best point right now, as far as I can see it, if it did break down, would be like around here, like 2653, somewhere near there. If it does pull back right now, somewhere near here would be a really good, stop loss. Because for now, doesn't look good that it wants to come down anymore. Anymore. Besides that, looks at how it is kind of slowing down right now. Uh, with this bull move, if there's going to be basically if there's a whip, this is what I mean. If there's a whip, it means that it whip down, whip up, and then whip down again. This needs to fall down faster. Right now, just waiting like 5 minutes now, maybe even 10 minutes, and it's not coming down. I don't think it is coming down. So we wait. Let's see it at 56. If it cannot come down, oh Jesus. Here we are at 55 again. Let's see if the second time we can break right now. It's about to. Broke. Still not a clean break. Still looks like it's gonna stay over 55 right here. Doesn't look like it's gonna be a clean break yet. Touch the turn line. Like once it actually break above and then touch the turn line again now, this turn line is gonna be the support where it bounces off of it. So I wouldn't hold selling position for long. So now that's bottoming tail. Looks like it's staying above 55 as well. Very likely that's gonna go up. Unless, of course, it broke down again. Will it? Because 55 here is the psychological level here. If it can break down, then, once it broke down, support become resistance. But seeing how it broke and didn't have a clean break, suck it all the way back up, and right now it's about to go up above 56. I think that we are seeing the end of a bull move. Yeah, I think we're seeing the end of a bull move right now. All right, well, here's the new speed line. If for those of you who are looking to sell, well, that's the speed line here. If it breaks, then that's no resistance anymore. If it does break here, then there's no resistance anymore. About to break, about to break. Here we go. So close. It's not breaking yet. It's not breaking yet. Ooh, that breakdown hard. What is that? Can't believe that simple little speed line here will hold. I kind of doubt that will hold, but it does. So let's see. Maybe it will break down. Maybe that's just a week to get more liquidity, and then once everything clear, then it drops. Maybe this right here is a manipulation right before the New York session starts. Who knows? Like, who knows? Right now, I'm waiting to see the more confirmation. Once I see more confirmation, will be selling on the breakdown right now. There's a break. Huge break. Stay under 55 right now. Looks good to come down perfectly. Came down perfectly right now. Here we are. Come down to 53. This is where you should be, like around here between 53 and 54. That's where you should be getting out. That's the last place. For those of you who's selling, don't keep your hopes up that it's going to come down all the way. This is where you should be getting out right now. This is where you should be getting out right now. It could it come down all the way? Sure, yeah, but I wouldn't hold my hopes up. I would say that 53, 52, I would say that's pretty much a good price to actually get out with at least maybe a few profits here and there, but don't hope it's gonna break because it's gonna have to break one the psychological level at 50, to the trend line right here, and it doesn't seem like that's going to be breaking, especially right at this level where it has the demand and supply zone very thick right here. Like the fact that it can't just break through here should concern you that once it's actually coming down here again, it definitely is gonna get liquidated out. So right here would be a good point to get out. I'm actually waiting for a long signal right now. Whoa. Like I said, this is the demand zone right here. Don't think it's gonna break down very easily. But if it break again, I wouldn't know what to think about today. The day like today, it would just be a no trade day. Ooh, break down hard right here. I'll wait for more. I'll wait for consolidation and possibly a long signal. Then I am gonna go for a buy right here pretty soon. So I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Here's a long signal. I am going for it. And let's see. 53 cannot pass. 53 cannot pass. And I am about to enter. 30 more seconds. Let's see that 53. Okay, it's starting to break a little bit, but it cannot pass. Living at bottoming tail now. Looks good. Looks good. 15 more seconds. Ooh, that breakdown hard. 15 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it finished like that, I'm not taking it. Like, this is what I mean. Why, like before, it looks really good to take the long position there, but then I need to wait for the finish of the candle before I start making any decision. And right now, looks like it wants to come down again. So wait for some more confirmation. Look at that. Looks like it's about to stay above. 53 is not staying, so the next level would be 52. 52 round number. But the reaction is just staying below 53, which means that it could break down really hard right here if it's just staying below 53. So, not taking it until it actually go back above 53 and showing me that it has a potential to come up. So not yet. Nope. Nope. See, right now it break down. Break down right now. I don't have a trade on. Like I said, today is the day that I don't think the turn line has been respected at all. It's just been breaking up and down, and just going sideways, very sideways. Kind of go back up to break 56, 57, but break all the way down. Right now it's like 500 points already. It is a sideways day, so I am going to oh, 1 second. Hello ค่ะพี่ไลฟ์อยู่อ่ะเดี๋ยวอีกอ่าเอ่อเปิดเองได้ไหมเดี๋ยวพี่อ้าวล็อกอยู่เหรออ้าวก็บอกน้องบิ๊กว่าไม่ให้ล็อกโอเคเดี๋ยวพี่เปิดเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงบ๊ายบาย Okay, sorry guys, I'll be right back. Okay. All right, I'm back. Sorry guys. All right. So, yeah, I was gonna buy right here, and it just broke down. So I didn't buy because I'm waiting for to see the reaction right here, and it looks like it is coming down. Right now, breaking 50. That's the psychological level. Breaking hard too. Breaking psychological level hard right now. I'm thinking I don't think if it come down to 47 right away, this is gonna be a whip right here. That's a whip. Break down, break up, and then break down again. So basically, it's clearing liquidity right now. But either case, once it actually go back up to 2652, it will show you that it doesn't have, like, no matter what, it will move in wave, and the wave would be something similar to this. So yes, of course, that is a manipulation right here, moving up, moving down. Trust me guys, this kind of manipulation make a lot of people lose money, but at the same time, those guys are losing money too. Trust me, the big players guys, they're losing money from doing this as well. But they're doing that so that they can have an easier time moving the market, because the price has been taken out already, especially when it moved up and down this much. And right now, I'm thinking that it will, if it go according to my plan. And this is what I mean by you have to wait and adapt, is you gotta wait for here, moving up, kind of break down, and then break down right here. And where we gonna enter? We're gonna enter right here on the pullbacks right there. And there. That's what I'm seeing right now. Now that it actually have a whip right here on an hourly chart, looks something similar to a continuation down because it has that whip right now and it is gonna come down hard here. So all we have to do, wait for the pullbacks up to that 52 level, and then we are gonna follow sell right now. Don't sell it right here because it's a little too dangerous, but if it does break down right here, it's gonna come down really hard, and I'm waiting for it. Of course, if it doesn't bounce and it break right away, you gotta be kidding me. It's gonna break right away. Come on, bounce, bounce, bounce up, like 500 points. Like if it come down like this, it have to bounce like 500 points at least. All right, it's gonna change the hourly time frame in about 3 minutes. I doubt that it will. I doubt that it will break right away. Here we go. There we go. That's the bounce. I doubt that it will break right away, but it is likely to break. So once it actually come up to like 51, 52 right around here, I will be selling. So sell 26.53. To 26.52, somewhere around there. $26.53, $26.52, somewhere around there. I will definitely be selling. Come on. If it breaks, I'm not gonna follow sell because last time that didn't work out too well. I'm gonna wait for the pullbacks. Today is a day that is very, very difficult to play in my term, in my strategy, because it doesn't choose one way or the other. And even if you play buy and sell top and bottom, you're likely to get hit when it does choose the way to play. All right, here we go. Here's the bounce again. And this will be my final one. Once the sell hit right here at 52, 52, 53, I will sell it, and that will be the end of the day today. If it hits stop loss, I hit stop loss twice today. But if it doesn't, I'm hoping that it will go all the way down, and I'll put a stop loss at like break even, and then let it continue down, because today is a day that I feel like that's going to be a movement before the news on Thursday. Here we go. Here's the bounce. Looks really good. Come on. Coming up to 26.50 right now. I don't think 26.50 will hold. Yeah, 26.50 is not holding. I doubt it. I could be wrong. I don't think 26.50 is holding, but okay, I could I could very well be wrong right here. That seems like it's holding very well. Uh, what to do? What to do? What to do? Oh my god! If it came down like this, is leaving a bottom like topping tail already. If it comes down from here, it gonna have a huge momentum, breaking momentum right now. Yeah, okay. It doesn't have the strength to actually go up at all. Doesn't have the strength to go up at all. Right now, looks to me like it wants to come down. But if I sell right here, 200 point would be at 2650, which it could go up at any time. So I'm not gonna play a follow sell yet. But I might miss my chance right here once it's actually broke down. Oof, it's touching it. It's already break 48. So 47 would be my last line of defense. If not, it's gonna come down right away without pulling backs. And if we take a look at 5 minutes right now, oh, that is nasty, nasty play. Oh, look at that dump. Right now at 48. Let's see if it can actually go back up. My ideal price would be at around like 52 at least. Doesn't seem like I'm gonna be getting it because like the rejection at 50 is really strong. So if the rejection price at 50 is really strong, it might means that it wants to come down right away. It would be really bad if it does do this twice, like clear liquidity once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. It's just not happening. God damn it! Don't jinx it. Oh God, I'm jinxing it. I was like, it's not gonna happen. No, no, no way. All right. This is a very clear manipulation. If there's a short signal, right, any time around here that it did not break this at 50, I am selling right now. Like this is clear manipulation that it will happen right before the breakout. And that break maybe break out to the upside or break down to the downside. I don't know which. I only know that we are gonna have a lot of risk reward here if we catch the wave. The only the only problem is which way is the wave will go. And right now, my intuition said to play a sell because it's already cleared up to the upside. Now it's clearing to the downside. So if the downside is real, then possibly right here at 2650. Let's go. Let's see. Manipulate up to like 2651. Cannot go past it because there's too many selling pressure. Then it will have no choice but to give up and come down. I really want to take my shot right here. Really bad. Really bad. Really, really, really bad. Oh man. That's twice. 2650 cannot go past it. With a clear rejection and the price that cannot stay above 2650. In another 7 seconds, it will change the hourly charts. And let's see. It's gonna choose one way or the other right now. And I think it already chooses its way that it wants to come down. So here goes. Right now, I'm just trying to pinpoint the exact location where I had the least amount of risk. So far, this might be it. 48. I'm not taking it yet. Because it's not breaking yet. There's still some rejection right here. Look at that. There's still some rejection right here. So taking 48, selling at 48 will be too risky. Come on, 49, 50, anything. Okay. Okay, 48 cannot pass. I'll wait for 50 again. If it cannot pass, I'm pretty sure it will pass and then go up to like 51. But if it cannot go past again, then I'll take it. Oh man. Clearly want to break down right now. Clearly. Here we go. Break 47 right here. Bounce. Bounce. Did not have a clean break on 47. Did not have a clean break. 20 more seconds. Gonna finish this candle. If it can come down, I'll sell at the end of this candle. If it can come down all the way to 47, I'll sell here. Oh, right here. Nope, not yet, not yet, not yet. Oh, I almost sell it. Not yet, not yet, not yet. It cannot go back up. I'm selling it now. I'm selling it now. It cannot go back up. 20 more seconds and it's gonna finish the candle, and I am selling it right here. Stop loss gonna be 200 points. I'm selling it right here. My target profit is gonna be at around 42. And here's a breakdown. I'm selling at 47, so my target profit is gonna be right here around 42. Let's see if it can come down right now. I'm selling on breakout, so kids, don't do this at home. I'm selling on breakout right now. All right. Oh, don't suck it back up. If this thing suck back up, I'm gonna hurt really bad right now, because I sell it not a too good of a price. I'm selling at 47 right here. Oh no, and it leaving bottoming tail right now. It did break, so I'm just hoping that it will carry, because I'm selling on breakout right now. Didn't play a retest. Oh boy. Come on. Come on down. Here we are at break of 47. Need to break in another 30 seconds. We will know if it's going to break down or not. It already broke. It just sucked all the way back up. So it could be a false break. Man, the momentum today. Come on. Get down to 41. Do it. Nope, suck it back up. Suck it back up. Suck it back up. So if it hit 49, I'll stop out. If it hit 49 here, I'll stop out. Looks like it will. Oh, that's good. That's good. That looks good. Oh no. Not anymore. Ah, too bad. Nope. Gonna hit my stop loss here. Gonna hit my stop loss here in about a minute, guys. So I'm gonna end up today with 2 losing streak. Yep. Hit my stop loss. It just first break, pulling all the way back up. Yeah, I just don't know what to say. The pullback didn't go as planned, and I couldn't. I had to play it on breakout, and it did break. Everything looks good. It just hit my stop loss again. I mean, this is perfect for the retest breakout. This is perfect for the breakdown, selling on breakouts. Just didn't go as planned. Got hit twice. That's not good. So, nothing to do but end my day with 2 stop loss. Of course, there's another selling here. My last selling point. But if it does go back up above, way above, then I don't think I should be selling. Starting to stay above 50. So unless it can, oh, now it goes below 50. Break down right away. Jesus. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, didn't that this didn't go as planned. Here we go. Wait for it. Okay, last one. I'm placing a sell right here at 50. This is going to be my last trade of the day. If I got stop out, I got stop out. But this one, I want to at least make 300 point on this one. And if I can make it some more, I'll be glad to take it. But for now, let's see if I can actually make 300 or 400 so that I come out with break even today. Because 400 would be at that 46, which would be the previous low. Let's see if it can actually make it down to 46 for today. Come on. So this is going to be my last trade for the day, guys. Let's see at 46. It looks like this speed line is pretty much really strong. So if it came down and could not break, I will pretty much be done for today. Oh, don't tell me. Okay. Gonna break the, it does break the turn line right now. About to. Well, it is breaking. It is breaking. Breaking turn line right now. Gonna hit my stop loss. Will it? Will it? Will it? Because it's break above 51 already and stand over 50, so it is likely that I gotta get hit with a stop loss right now. Very, very likely. I doubt that it will come down right now. So I played according to my plan. However, the plan doesn't really work for the day. Oh, wow. I was saved by a hair. Nah. It stayed right now here. Let me zoom in. Right now it's staying above the turn line right here. And when it actually stayed above turn line, it just means that it doesn't want to come down anymore, and it uses that as a springboard. In which case, I think we're gonna get his stop out pretty soon right here. So let's erase this off, and boom, right there. 3 stop loss today. That's it. Nothing wrong with my logic. That was a retest break. Coming down, strong. Really gonna come down with the breakout. So I sell it on the breakout. Stop out, and then right here, gonna get hit with a stop loss, and that's just the way it goes. Got hit by a stop loss 3 times today. And I know that's not pretty, but that's the reality of trading. So if you guys like, please click like, subscribe, and if you want to see more of the reality of trading, it's not always happy and dandy. It's gonna be like this. You have everything right, everything correct, thing looks like it going your way, then this kind of thing happens. So I'll see you guys next time, and again, hope you have a profitable day. Bye, guys.